guys, what's up? It's Avia. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I got this easy everyday look using all affordable products. I think she killed. I think it turned out real good. So if you want to see how I got it, please keep watching. Alright, so I already filled in my eyebrows off screen, but to stick with the theme of affordable products, I still use my ColourPop brow pencil in brown and black, and I cleaned up my eyebrows with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. So now I'm going to, well, I already primed it, but it's creasing, so I'm about to prime it again to get this creasing out. I'm gonna set it with my Airspun Loose Face Powder. And I just realized that these actually came in different colors because I was on Amazon just looking for stuff, and I just typed this in. And I just noticed that they come in several different colors, and this is rosy beige. Who knew? I like this powder. I just don't like the way it smells. It smells like medicine, like an old medicine woman. But it works good. It doesn't leave flashback, and it does the job. And it's $5 at Walmart. So the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using today is the ColourPop Element of Surprise palette. Comes with these really, really pretty colors. The first color I'm going to use is this color right here, and it is called Peace of Mind. And I'm using a Morphe blending brush to add it to my crease. Alright, I didn't realize how pigmented this was. Pigmented. This shadow was, so I do want to add a little bit more of a transition, so I'm going to use the color Details right here. And I'm going to add it to the top. I always forget how pigmented ColourPop eyeshadows are. They are hella bomb. I'm using a clean, fluffy brush just to kind of like diffuse this a little. Just to blend these together, these two colors together a little. Next, I'm going to be using the color Blank Canvas. This color right here. I'm just going to use a flat eyeshadow brush and put it all over my lid. Then I'm going to use that first blending brush and kind of just blend and add a little tiny bit of that first eyeshadow and blend in my crease. I'm gonna wet my brush because the lid color is kind of moving, so hopefully me wetting my brush will help it not move. I've used the shadows before, I ain't never moved, probably because I'm supposed to be using my finger. I just don't feel like it. Maybe I might have to. Oh yeah, that works. I'm not going all the way to the end. I'm just like stopping halfway. Okay, so now that I'm done with my eyeshadows for now, I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner to just give me a wing. I never used this eyeliner before. It was a gift with purchase. You know how BH Cosmetics gives you free things with the purchase, so thank you, BH. For mascara, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Times Makeup Shayla Collab, the Big Shot Mascara in Baddest Black. And I accidentally got a little mascara there. I'm just gonna let it dry down, and then I'm just gonna pat a little eyeshadow on it. Do it all the time. For lashes, I'm using my Demi Wispies, Ardell Demi Wispies. The best affordable lashes. The best. I like the double ones, but I didn't have any, so this will do. This is supposed to be an everyday look, so these are everyday lashes. I'm about to fix this. that I messed up. And ta-da, it's gone. All right, so now I'm gonna prime. I'm gonna use the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser by Maybelline and erase these pores. They're actually not too big today. I exfoliated really, really good. All right, I'm gonna set my primer with the Airspun. All right, now that I set my primer, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in Mocha 360. I'm actually gonna mix this foundation with the Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid just so I can have a glow. Who doesn't like to glow? And then I just like to use my Real Techniques big sponge to blend it in. I don't like to put foundation on my neck because I don't want to get product on my clothes. But so I'll just use the residue that's on my sponge and just kind of like brush it down here, because ain't nobody trying to have no harsh line. Even though this color matches me pretty well, ain't nobody, I am not walking no. Next, to stick with the Maybelline theme, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me powder in dark, 40 dark, to set my foundation. Next, I'm gonna conceal. I'm gonna use a ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Deep Golden. And with this concealer, I don't like to use a lot of it. I just like to use a little. And make sure that you go straight down your nose. I accidentally did it just rushing Cricut one day, and my nose is looking real crazy. I usually don't, I don't contour my nose because I like my nose shape, and I'm not, the thin snatched nose is really not the look I go for. Like the Michael Jackson nose is really not my thing. It's cute on other people, I just don't think it's cute on me. So, for contour, I'm gonna use the Black Opal foundation stick in Ebony Brown. Now I'm about to blend out my concealer with a smaller Technique brush, smaller Real Techniques brush. Yeah, I can't talk, probably because I'm thirsty as hell. About to get some water. Alright, now that I'm no longer parched, I'm gonna finish. FYI, I'm the only one who drinks that. Drinking like that is the only way I can guarantee I drink a gallon of water a day. Don't judge me. Most people say that the eyeshadow takes the longest. I honestly feel like blending out your concealer and your contour takes the longest. Especially if you want to have like a flawless blend. I literally spend like 10 minutes beating my face, literally just beating. All right, now it's time to set with the grandma powder again. Set that concealer. Alright, next I'm going to use my CoverGirl Queen Collection in Ebony Bronze to contour my face. I'm not really contouring because this is a bronzer, so I'm just bronzing my face. I just want to set wherever I put that powder, wherever I put the cream foundation. I always wondered, how do you bronze a brown girl? Like, I'm already bronzed. She bronze. I'm gonna add a little bit more powder just to kind of like blend everything together. All together. Alright, I'm gonna finish off the eyes. I'm gonna go back into my Element of Surprise palette, and I'm gonna use this Peace of Mind in a Morphe shader brush just to shade. And to line my bottom lid, I'm gonna use the Essence Gel Eyeliner. I never really hear anybody talk about these eyeliners. They're like $1.99 from Ulta and they're hella good. I don't know why I don't hear anybody talking about it, but I like them. They come in different colors too. Oop. Make sure you use your sponge to hold your eye down because you can leave a fingerprint. I know from experience. To help make my bottom lashes pop, I actually like to use the L'Oreal Voluminous primer. Y'all, this stuff, before I learned how to put on lashes, this was my go-to. I remember my mom was like, "You got on fake lashes, girl?" I was like, "Nope, I used the primer and some bomb-ass mascara." And then I like to go in with my L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black mascara. And I'm just gonna go ahead and color in my moles that I lost under this pound of makeup. Ah! Oh, I just broke it! Oh man. Fuck. So I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution Vivid Bake Bronzer in Rock On World as my highlighter. I just broke it. I'm gonna use my, I actually got this in my Ipsy bag. I like this as a highlighter brush. It's the B6 Tapered Highlight. It has a name on it, but I can't read this mess. Something Glam. It's in cursive. I can't read this. I like to use my finger to go down my nose, the bridge, the tip. For my inner corner, I think I'm going to use, there's this iridescent shade in here that's really pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna use this shade right here. It's called Feels. I don't think I could ever wear this on the eyelids, but it looked like it might be a pretty inner. Or if I were to do, ooh. Oh shit. Oh, talk about elements of surprise. I'm surprised with that. That's pretty. Oh yeah, I really like that. It kind of makes my eyes pop. Cause yeah, that's really pretty. I really like that. All right, I'm gonna add some colors to my cheek. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. blush palettes in dark, and I'm going to use this shade right here. For lips, I'm gonna use my ColourPop lip liner, Lippy in Pitch. And I'm gonna use the Black Radiance. Don't know what it is, but the color is Sandy Nude. I'm gonna set my face with the NYX Matte Finishing Spray.